For activity 1.11, we're going to add a second table to a database by importing another Excel spreadsheet. So let's get started. We still see the view from the previous exercise where we're looking at design view for the students table in the contacts database. Now click on External Data, Excel, browse to get the faculty file A01A faculty, which you downloaded in a previous step. Now this time we're going to do a little bit different. Instead of appending a copy of records to the table, we're going to import the source data into a new table in the current database because we don't have an existing faculty table. Okay, now in the import spreadsheet wizard, you see here row 1 says faculty ID, rank, campus, last name. Those are the headings from the Excel spreadsheet, and we want to click first row contains column headings. That way when Access imports this data, it will assume that this first row or top row is going to make up the field names in the table that it creates. And notice when I uncheck first row, it thinks that the first row or record is the faculty ID rank, but when I check the box, it's no longer numbered because those will be used as the field names, and the first record of data starts here. Click Next. In faculty ID, we want it to be unique, so we don't want duplicate values allowed, and so we drop this down and we say no. Sorry, we want to say yes, it's indexed, no duplicates. Okay, now as I click on field headers, rank, you can see it's not indexed, you can see it's data type text. Click on campus and it changes up here, so it's telling you for each of these fields that we might want to import, or that we are importing, we can see what it's made of. And for this exercise, city, state, region, I'd like you to click on zip and see it was imported as type double, which is a different way of storing things internally in the computer. I want you to drop that down and change that to text. Now notice home, mobile phone, those are all text. Okay, so we're good to go. So let's click on Next. Microsoft Access recommends that you define a primary key for your new table, and we're going to say choose my own primary key. We want it to be faculty ID. Notice that we could choose a lot of these, but faculty ID is the one that we want. Next, import table to last name, first name, one A, faculty. Having trouble typing here. Okay, and finish. It says it finished importing. We close, and notice now we have a faculty table and a students table. So let's double click the faculty table and notice what happens up here to the tabbed object window. Now we have two tabs. We're looking at faculty in datasheet view, and notice there's 30 records. And if we click here on students, we're still in design view. If I want to move that or change students to datasheet view, I can go like that. Now I can bounce between these two, the students and the faculty tables, to see the data they contain.